Okay, miss, I'm not hearing that noise anymore.
That's good. Did you
Of course, I think I'm a little deaf.
Did you find anything?
No, but I said I think I'm a little deaf. So
That's okay. I'll do that.
I'm just kidding with you.
Luca, shut up. Stop it.
Okay, so I removed it, snaked it out 30 feet
Okay.
with a big cone on the end, which should grab anything. I didn't find anything in there, but what I did find when I removed the toilet, the gasket, the hole in the bottom of the toilet's this big, but the gasket somehow moved in and obstructed the toilet.
Oh, okay.
So I think that could be one of the problems, and it's also possible an airlock in the toilet as well was causing some noise. That's why I was dumping water in and removed this so that if there was any air I could force it out.
Okay.
So I don't hear anything now, so
No.
let's see what happens.
As for the smell, would that be?
Smell, well, I snaked it out
Okay.
and I put a new gasket.
Like you said, I guess with the gasket moving over, maybe.
Yeah,
there's a
it could
little
be.
Sludge, I guess.
I'm not going to say that for sure, but
No,
you know,
fine. Yeah.
I did what I could do, and usually, you know, it fixes the problem.
Okay.
So far, I don't hear it making the noise on the stack anymore.
Okay, perfect.
So I think it's fixed.
Okay, thank you so
Okay.
much. Yeah.
So if you have any further problems, let them know, and I don't know what we're going to do after that. Maybe we stick a camera down it or something, but
Yeah.
just have to give it a good cleaning, okay?
Yeah, I will.
And I'm going to tell you what I tell everybody. Poop and flush, wipe and flush. So if you can, if you're sitting on the toilet, you make a poop, just reach back and flush it. And then when you're using the toilet paper, continuously flush it.
Okay.
Because there's not a lot of water in these toilets.
Okay.
I don't know if you're aware of that, but these toilets here, this area here, if you take a look, when you flush it, this is all you get. This water here fills this area up faster so you can get a second flush faster.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So this is like less than an orange juice container of water for everything in the bowl, right?
Oh,
So
okay, good to
I
know.
tell people, you know, if you reach back and flush it and then do it again as many times as you need.
Okay.
You know what I mean? You'll have less problems with the toilet.
Oh, okay, good to know.
Absolutely nothing can go down here. No baby wipes, even though they do say on the box that they're flushable, they're not.
Okay.
So, and Q-tips are a problem.
No.
I'm just telling you, right? Q-tips, because the hole is like this.
And then it goes
Sometimes
right across.
it's right across and
Yeah.
starts catching paper and becomes a blockage.
Right.
Same with condoms.
Right.
It's a balloon,
Right.
right? You know? And any Tampaxes or anything like that.
Yeah.
Okay? I
All
think
right.
I've covered all the bases.
Do you want the rag?
Oh, yes.
All right, perfect. Thank you for doing that.
No
Appreciate
problem. And hopefully that solves your problem.
it. I hope so too.
Okay. All right, take care, ladies. Bye-bye now.